Okay, so let's make our usual market breakdown. So Euro AUD at the moment looking very interesting. Starting here from the monthly time frame, we can see how it just created this overextended M pattern. Therefore, we have a potential WM strategy to the upside here for a potential completion at the neckline. Dropping down the weekly time frame, we can see in fact how we have just created this candle here. So a candle with a very long wick and a green body. Usually in a situation like this, we expect the next candle to fill in the wick. Now, if we drop down on the daily time frame, we can see how we do have this potential daily ICI strategy to the upside. So if we drop down on the 4-hour time frame, according to the rules, we can see that at the moment we are in a bearish environment with the EMAs cut for short and the MACD below the zero. However, if the market will manage to break above the resistance and make the environment shift, after the break and shift of environment on the retest of the EMAs, that is where, according to the rules of the ICI strategy, we could be looking for this potential move to the upside. Stop loss below the low, take profit at the minus 27 of the Fibonacci taken on the daily retracement, as the rules of the ICI strategy say.